Welcome to my Cristin Creates channel on YouTube. I love to make lots of fun projects using machine embroidery, and the best part is I love to help you make them too. Some of the fun projects that we'll be making include quilts and pillows and shirts and in the hoop stuffies for children and toys and all kinds of fun things. So all you have to do, see that little red button in the corner there? Click that and you'll receive notification when I upload a new video. And let's get creating some fun projects.